It's the second grade Go Math lesson 10.5, and today we're going to make bar graphs. It says Maria asked her friends how many hours they practice soccer each week. Jesse practiced for 3 hours, Victor 2 hours, Samantha practiced for 5 hours, David for 6 hours. On number 1, it says write a title and labels for the bar graph. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what is this about. It's about practicing, and they're practicing soccer. So we write hours, players, practice, and actually these should all be capital letter. Practice soccer. Because it's a title of something, the letter should be capitalized. So this should be a capital P as well. All right. And then we're going to look at then it says label it. These are the names of the students. Student names. And then at the bottom is the number of hours that they practice. So they're simply getting practice filling in this chart here. The names have already been put in there for their convenience. But you're simply just going to mark something here. It's a bar graph, so we're going to make bars here. So it says Jesse practiced for 3 hours. We're going to fill in those bars. Victor practiced for 2. We're just going to fill up 2 of the bars. Samantha practices for 5 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. And David practices for practice for 6 hours. So I wonder who's the best at soccer. Probably the guy who practices the most. Alright, so now the student should have filled in a bar graph. Excellent. And there's only one question, actually there's 2. But the first question asks, which friend practices soccer the most each week, the most hours each week? And that would be David, because you could see his bar comes out further than everybody else's. And he practices 6 hours, so we're simply going to write David's name right there. For number 4, it says which friends practice soccer fewer than 4 hours a week? We look at 4, and these people practice fewer than 4, Jesse and Victor. And there you go.